Bandsaw Resawing, Mastering the Art of Precision Cutting. Hello everyone, in today's video, we are going to dive into the intriguing world of woodworking, specifically focusing on bandsaw resawing. Whether you're a budding craftsman or simply curious about woodworking, understanding this technique is key. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started on mastering the art of precision cutting with bandsaw resawing. Before we delve into the resawing process, it's crucial to understand what a bandsaw is. A bandsaw is a powerful cutting tool with a long, sharp blade consisting of a continuous band of toothed metal stretched between two or more wheels. It's predominantly used in woodworking, metalworking, and lumbering for cutting a variety of materials in straight or curved lines. The unique aspect of a bandsaw is its ability to offer uniform cutting action due to an evenly distributed tooth load. Now, let's talk about bandsaw resawing. Resawing refers to the process of cutting a piece of wood into thinner slices, usually along the wood's grain. Imagine you have a block of wood, and you want to slice it down into thinner panels. That's exactly what resawing is. This technique is especially beneficial when you want to make the most out of a particularly valuable or beautifully grained piece of lumber. It allows for maximum yield and minimal waste. Why choose bandsaw resawing? There are multiple benefits. 1. Conservation of materials. By slicing wood into thinner pieces, you're making the most out of your material. 2. Precision and uniformity. Bandsaws provide consistent and accurate cuts, which is crucial when working on delicate projects. 3. Versatility. You can cut various materials and shapes, not just straight lines. This opens up a world of creative possibilities in your woodworking projects. To ensure you get the best results from bandsaw resawing, keep these tips in mind. Choose the right blade. The blade should be wide enough to ensure stability and narrow enough to cut the desired curves. Set the correct blade tension. Proper tension is crucial for accurate cuts. Too much tension can break the blade, while too little can lead to imprecise cuts. Control the feed rate. Feed the wood into the blade at a steady, appropriate pace. Too fast can lead to rough cuts, and too slow can burn the wood or wear out the blade. And that wraps up our journey into the world of bandsaw resawing. We hope this video has illuminated the intricacies and benefits of this valuable woodworking technique. Remember, like any skill, bandsaw resawing takes practice and patience. So, don't be discouraged by initial challenges. Keep experimenting, and you'll soon be slicing through wood with precision and confidence. Happy woodworking, and see you in the next video.